Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. So this is a crochet braids video. I've not done one of this in a while. I am so sorry I lost the footage for my intro for this video, telling you all about the hair and what I'm doing. But basically I'm just showing you how I achieve this big bouncy beautiful curls with straight crochet hair. Previously I was using the Cuban twist hair. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you know I did a video on this a couple of years ago showing you how I achieve my bouncy curls. Since then I have created my own hair. It's very similar to the Cuban twist hair after it's been blow dried, which is what I used to do in the past. But it was such a hassle, it took forever and I did not like that. But with this you can use any type of crochet, any type of straight crochet hair. You can use the Cuban twist and blow dry it straight. I'll put the video that I did previously in the description section. You can use definition braids. There's so much different straight crochet hair on the market that you can use to achieve the same curls. So basically I use heated rollers to achieve my curls. I get that question all the time, and this is exactly how I do it. I curl away from my face, and the rollers come with a pin. If you get a different type, they usually come with this clamp that holds the rollers down, but I prefer the pin. And basically, like I said, curl away from your face. You can get these rollers off of Amazon or Walmart. I usually get mine from Walmart. It comes in different sizes. The one I get has a small, medium and large. I like the medium and large. I put the medium curl rollers at the back and I put the large up top in front. And as you can see, I'm just taking section by section, combing through it with a wide tooth comb, or you can use a brush as well. And I'm just curling away from my face. If you have any questions, let me know. I usually just like to speed up the video because I don't think anybody wants to sit down and watch me curl all of my hair. But if it's too fast or you don't understand what I'm doing, just leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll be happy to let you know exactly what I'm doing. And that's pretty it. I finished curling the hair. I'll show you what the back looks like, and I am going to do my makeup and I will be right back. So I sat down in this for 30 minutes and within that time I did my makeup. And all you want is just for the rollers to cool down. That's what's going to form and set the curls. And that's about it. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I really love the way this curls turned out. I really love this curl. I usually say that about my one curls, but I feel like I like this better. I'm not sure. Every time I do it, it changes. But if you have any questions about this hair, put in the section and the comment section below. I'll try to put as much information as I can in the description box as well. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.